Pretty.
Stupid penis.
Watch this, watch this.
Stupid.
I am recording.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No. You're a bull donkey. Oh, you are. Wait, ow, my butthole.
Your butthole.
Butthole.
Period.
Ooh. That sounded really bad.
That was like totally my head and my back.
I'm not going down without a fight. You can't even get up. Look at yourself. You drunk or something? What is wrong with you? She tries to get me down, but she gets herself down. Oh God! Oh! Oh God! I got a headache. Oh God! You beat her with this bat.
Don't break it. That's like a Barbie 14 edition of the Yankees.
Bull.
Oh. Return of the bear.
You don't even have to the bear.
It wasn't my drink. It's only soda.
It's only soda, kids. Only soda. Only soda, kids. Some corn soup. Your best friend, the bear, is getting beaten up by this molester over here. Child molester, stay away. Child molester.
Funny the first time. I can't see you.
Ow, my leg is bruised, you dodo head. It's over 9,000.
And 2.5.
Big
Copy paste.
I was going to hit my arm on your stupid chair.
Have my drink.
Where's your drink?
Next to your hand.
Check it out, it's Kevin Jonas in the house. Oh!
Kevin Jonas is
Freaking penis. Yeah, what now? What now?
You're gonna say that.
Oh!
Oh my God. I think you kicked your boob. Oh, die peaceful, Bella. Die peaceful. She's bit by a vampire.
Yeah, like bench.
Yeah. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Die peaceful, Bella.
Oh, why is it like that?
They broke it. I guess Dad did.
Ow! Wait,
she's a bear going into hibernation.
Wow.
Actually, that was off the top of my head. Oh man, we need to. I think we should start over. No. What's this in here?
Freaking boob.
Why do we keep falling?
Hame, hame, my hame. Hame, hame, my hame.
More start over. Die peaceful! Die peaceful! Oh! You're your period.
I'm Edward and I'm here to save you. Oh, God. Oh, look at her. She sounds just like Bella, too.
No, it doesn't sound like a man.
Oh, she has to sound like a man. Oh, Bella.
My arm is turning!
Looks like you're having a concussion over there. You're not in. Oh, my God. You should really get up because people might think you're dying. Oh, look at her. She's coughing up. Dude, we just had cake.
That was liquid?
That it was ice cream cake and it was liquefied.
It was like a milk
It wasn't
cake.
even like cake.
It wasn't a cake category.
It was like corn soup. Corn soup, kids. Corn soup. Soup. Boobies.
How you doing? Drinking your soda over there? Hey, good looking.
I want you in my pants. I want you. Why don't you go down to my basement? I'll get you some popsicles. I want some popsicles. Some popsicles. Take me my newspaper.
I can't do it. Can't get it on. Oh, it's so weird.
Oh,
wait, I think it's done. I think it's done.
No, it's still going. We got like a 14 seconds left. 12.
Have a big bang.
10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3.